Today I will be unpacking this Hoover Freedom stick bag, model number fd22rp. This one is the pets version, so it has a different attachment on to the other one. One instruction book that has got some screws in to hold the bracket to the wall, and some more plugs if you wanted to attach it to the wall, the bracket. Here's the bracket. Adhesive tool with a little dusting brush that does bend. A straight adhesive tool. The Pets turbo nozzle that is run by a little motor off the batteries off the machine. The extension tube. Dusting brush, the main head, the vacuum cleaner, and the charger to it. Assembly is exactly the same as the other one. Hose goes in there, and the main floor tool goes on the end for when you're using it as an upright. The tools, of course, go straight on there if you want them to. Thank you for watching.